Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my refrigerator. I hope that this gives you some motivation to get some cleaning done. So I'm just showing you guys a quick overview of how everything looked before I started. As you guys can see, there's just random food all over the place and nothing's organized at all. And the freezer, I don't even know how long it's been since I've deep cleaned the freezer, but it's looking a hot mess too, so we're gonna take care of this hot mess. So I'm going to start off by just taking everything out of the fridge and placing everything on my table or on my countertops, because there was so much in here. It was just a lot and not all of it was going to fit on the table. So I used both the table and the countertops. So that's what I'm doing here. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I post videos on mommy life, cleaning, vlogs and hauls, along with other videos. And thank you guys for stopping by and taking the time out of your day to watch me. So now I'm going to use this Clorox bleach-free cleaner. I'm going to spray everything down with it, and I'm just going to wipe everything down and make sure that everything is nice and clean. Now I'm going to start putting everything back in order, just kind of organizing everything so that way I could make room for the new food that's going to be coming in. That sounds so funny. So do you like cleaning your refrigerator, or is it just a big hassle? Let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to move on to the freezer. I'm just taking everything out of the freezer. You guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is disgusting. It had been so long since I had cleaned this, and it was gross, but I'm getting it nice and clean. So now I'm just putting everything back in the freezer, and I'm organizing it and making it all nice and beatable. Now I'm just going to wipe it down with this Method's all-purpose cleaner. And now it's all nice and clean. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!